Hi everyone, this video is about Planboard. So I found this because I was researching new ways to plan. I like to plan, like lesson plan online, so I can go back each year and look at what I did in the past. I was using a Google Doc to plan, but I wanted something more organized. This is very similar to Planbook, but it is free. I didn't want to have to pay for a template to help lesson plan. So this video is for teachers, counselors, and even admin, anyone who is needing to plan their day or schedule. The purpose is to help plan and customize your day however you want it. The two standards are 3.2b, build on the shared vision by collaboratively creating a strategic plan that articulates how technology will be used to enhance learning. So I feel with Planboard, you can create a plan on how you're going to use technology and incorporate technology into your lessons, because you can type it right up there to show and collaborate with others of how you're using technology right there in your lesson plans. And 3.2e, share lessons learned, best practices, challenges, and the impact of learning with technology with other educational leaders who want to learn from this work. This platform is really easy to share lessons with others. In Google, I just typed in Planboard. It is chalk.com. I'm going to click login. I made an account this morning. It did ask me what day I wanted to start the school year when I first made the account. I just clicked August 1st. That's not when school starts, but that was just the first day. Nothing is scheduled, so I'm going to go make a timetable. And this is your template. It tells you directions right here. We got to build our schedule. I'm going to click add a class, go through math, create. I'm going to drag and drop. Math is from 9 to 10:45. I'm going to add a class. I'm going to say specials, create 10:45. I'm going to say to 11:45. Oop. And then add a class. I'm going to click the non-teaching period. So I'm going to click, lunch. Create. Drag and drop. So there's my lunch. So there's just a basic random day. You can make it however you want. I'm going to click start planning. So here is the week. So here's some notes. When I was messing with this earlier, it must have saved. So I typed in, first day of school, here's a note. The second day of school, remember to take lunch count. So maybe for math, on the first day of school, we're going to practice adding. And I love this part that you can go down here and add standards. Let's see, where the math. So here's the math standard. You can go in and select that. Browse standards. So here's all the standards that you could add to your lesson. I'm just going to click a random one. Added. Click save. So there's my standard right there. Adding, I can customize the typing and the wording however you want it. You can add links. Add a link right here. So when I'm lesson planning it, oh look, I used that link on this day, so maybe next year I can use that as well. So I'm going to click save. And so there's your day. And I love that you can move the lesson over, or maybe your whole day. You didn't get to anything on your day, because sometimes that happens. And you can shift your whole entire day. Or let's say you have school. I'm going to go to Friday or Thursday, and you're going to add an off day. You don't have school. No school. Or it's a professional development day. Whatever. So you can plan lunch. See, it's a non-class, so there's nothing in there to type. I'm going to click share. If I want to share it, I can click a day-to-day layout or a week summary. Print it. I can save it to a PDF to my desktop, however you want to do it. But I love that this gives me an easy way to organize my classes into lesson plan right here. And that is my video. Thank you.